Like most web software, WordPress.com consists of a front end visible to everyone and a back end or admin area where you can manage your content. What makes WordPress.com unique is that when you're logged in, a lot of the features normally found in the back end are also available on the front end. That means you don't have to dive into the full complexity of WordPress just to publish content. Previously, I pointed out this button in your toolbar, the New Post button, that allows you to create a new post. And when you click on that button, you are taken to a page where you're allowed to make one of 5 different types of posts. You can make a text post, a photo post, a video post, a quote, or a link. Let's start by making a text post. I'll click on text, and this opens a simple edit window where I can create my post. Here I can put in a title, and if I want to, I can also add an image to my post, but I'm not going to do that. Now that I have my title, I can write out my post, and this works just like any regular editor. I can write in text, I can highlight some of the text and make it bold or italicized. I even have a strike through feature, so I can make a line through some of my text if I want to. I can turn it all on and off as I want. I have bullets, I have numbered lists, I have a quote, and I can even align my content. If you're going to write a lot of content here, you can also use this toggle full screen mode button. This will take over the entire page and make it easier for you to simply format your content. So if you like a distraction-free surface to write on and you don't want to use a separate application to do so, you can do that right inside WordPress.com simply by clicking on this button. When you're done writing, you simply click on it again and you jump back to the regular view. So here I'm going to write a simple post. Now that I've written my post, I can choose to add tags to my post. Tags are words that connects your post to one another and also connects your post with other posts in the WordPress.com system that have the same tags. So here it's a good idea to use tags that actually relate to your content. In this case, I can say WordPress is a tag, and video is a tag, and CMS is a tag, and content management system is a tag. You'll notice I'm splitting each of the tags with a comma, and that way WordPress.com will know that WordPress is a tag and content management system combined is a tag. Now that I've written my post, I can either click Save Draft to save it, and you'll notice that if I don't do it, it'll still save it on an autosave basis. I can cancel my post if I don't want to use it. I can click Preview to preview my post, or I can publish it right away. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll click Publish Post, and my post is now put up for the world to see. Once my post is published, I can choose to share my post on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. And you'll notice that I can also turn on Publicize so that this is done automatically. We'll look at that later on in the course. I can also see the tags I'm using. So here you see the tags that I've used, and I can click on these to see other posts that have been published with the same tags. I can go and upgrade to the WordPress.com premium package we talked about in the very beginning of this course. And I can also view the post or go and start a new post. So in this case, I'm just going to jump in and start a new post right away so we can look at some of the other post options. The next one down the line is a photo post. So let's take a look at that one. Here you see the photo post editor is quite different. Here the photo is the center of attention, and here I can select a photo or use a photo URL. So in my case, I'm going to select a photo from my computer. I'm jumping directly to my computer and selecting this photo of a wooden monkey. The photo is uploaded, and I can give it a title and a caption. If I want to, I can also add a click-through link to my photo, meaning when people click on the photo, they jump to another website. And again, I can add tags. So this time I'm going to add monkey and wooden and toy and Denmark. Again, I can save the draft, cancel the post, preview, or publish the photo. So I'm going to publish the photo. Once the photo is published, I get the same options again. I'm simply going to click Start a New Post, and then we'll take a look at video. So when I click on video, I'm allowed to post up a video on my blog. So here I've gone to YouTube to find a video I really like. It's this Argentine Tango Milonga video. So I'm simply going to grab the URL for the video up here at the top, Control C to copy, and then paste the video URL into this box here. Then I'm going to click Fetch Video, and WordPress will go to YouTube and find the video for me, and here I can preview it to make sure it is the correct video. If it's not, I can also click this link that's partially hidden that says, or select a new video. Then I can give it a title. I can put in a description of the video. And again, I can tag my post and publish the video. So now I've created 3 new posts on my blog: a text post, an image post, and a video post. And you'll remember that I said when you create new content, it automatically appears under Reader. So if I go to Reader now, you should see 3 new posts appear here at the top. And when I click on that, you'll see here is my Malonga post, here's my image post, and finally here's my text post. And just like with all the posts that were here before, if I click on the post title or click somewhere else on this, I can either comment, like, or reblog the post, and I can go directly to view the post. As you see, WordPress.com has made it as easy as possible for you to create and publish new content to the web. Now that you know how to create new posts, images, and other content, take the WordPress.com front end for a spin and create a few posts of your own before we continue. In particular, take a look at how the quote post and the link posts work and how they appear under Reader. Once you've created at least one of each of these types of posts, we can jump into the WordPress backend and look at how we can manage that content.